We out here in the lab. Mess everywhere. Bikes everywhere. Anyway, I'm just going to give you guys a little teaser. I do have the wiring footage, but it won't be uploaded till later on tonight. Just want to show you guys a little something. If I can lean this over a little bit. As you can see, we got action. Wow, this thing seems really fast. Just judging by the way that wheel's spinning back there. And it's not even in high gear because I haven't hooked the gears up yet. You know, the low, medium, and high. That's a switch for the low, medium, and high. Right now, with nothing connected to it, I think it's probably in medium. I think. Don't quote me on that. But, yeah. Oh, Lord. Like I say, we still got a lot of work to do as far as I got to align that brake rotor back there. And align the brake rotor. I got the axle pretty much lined up pretty good. I gotta hook up the brake cutoff and a few more other little things. But for the main thing, she ready to go. So we'll be working the bugs out of it, but just wanted to show you guys. So we're gonna get those wires and everything strapped up, get the controller strapped up. We still gotta hook up the lights and everything. I haven't hooked those up yet because I gotta hook a step down to step that voltage down. It definitely can't handle 72 volts as it is right now, so we'll hook the lights and stuff up at it on the next video. Meanwhile, I'm trying to get the Frank over there. I'm gonna put this big ass controller in Frank. Look at that, man. Look at that thing, man. And see, that's the controller that's in Frank now. Look at the difference. And no, it's not gonna fit there. Not only is it longer, it's thicker, it's wider, it's everything. It's bigger. So temporarily, I'm gonna have to mount it. I'm gonna have to mount it under there, something like that for now. But yeah. Anyway, all that's coming up. Like I said, I got the wiring video done. I just gotta stitch it together and upload it, but that probably won't be till later on. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and jump on Frank, see if I can throw that controller up in Frank and see what Frank talking about with double the amps as he had, because he only had 43.5 amps, as you can remember. I wasn't even giving him the full 50 amps on this. But I removed the limiter, little circuit board that I had there. I already removed that. So I can go ahead and hook that up. And Frank won't have no limitations. And we're going to do it on those tires for now. But we definitely ordered some Shinkos. Anyway, this is what's happening in the lab. All right, fellas, I will get back at you. Deuces.